Echo. Echoing off the building back there.
The building?
Yes.
That's a big one.
No smoke is bringing up back there. Hear me? No smoke.
Yeah, I see. At the church.
So far, the church.
So far.
The one in Elmwood.
That was actually a good one, I guess. I wish I had a tripod. That'd be nice.
I like those
Saturns.
brown ones.
Yeah.
It's green.
Just, but for
I'll tell you when it is.
That one was cool. You're sweating like a pig.
you still gotta look up, Dad.
Not that bad.
Ooh, oh.
For me and Malaya last week, we like right underneath it. She got hit by one.
Shouldn't I did that. Oh, Happy New Year, plan. That's a big one. Look at traffic slow. The traffic is slow. Like extremely. Pick boom. Those are okay. Boom. Boom. Oh, I know the ones you like. You like the ones that are like circular, like Saturn. Saturn's ring, okay. Got it. Chicka chicka boom.
The wig.
The wig ones, yeah.
That one. That one's going high up in the sky, bro. Those.
Daddy, do you like the wig ones?
That one's going high.
I like the grand finale.
I think we're getting close to it. I'm playing. They're like 20 minutes long. That was a heart. Another heart.
Banana one.
That's a big one. Chicka chicka boom. Chicka chicka boom. They're flying close to you, but they're not. Chicka chicka boom. That one's big.
I like the heart one.
That's big.
I like the banana one.
Yeah, I like those.
I like the one that goes.
No. My camera's not. Mine's not. Mine's not. Mine's not blurry. Chicka chicka boom. Chicka chicka boom.
It'd be so much better than having
Chicka chicka boom. Fruity Pebbles. I call them the Fruity Pebbles. I call them the Fruity Pebbles.
A nine.
I call them the Fruity Pebble Bomb. Fruity Pebbles. Bland.
I like the stuff.
That was cool. Wee. Oh, that's going high in the sky. Here he goes. That was weird
There's a
looking.
flower.
Chicka chicka
Oh,
boom.
these are awesome, gang.
And
Oh. Chicka chicka boom. They're like big. Like.
check
I smell chicken.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Chicka chicka boom.
I smell McDonald's.
well, you got McDonald's, you got Publix, you got
Fruity Pebbles.
you got
Starbucks.
Starbucks over there, you got Subway over there.
Fruity Pebbles. That's not Violet. Can you quit awesome? Can you? You wish.
I prefer it.
I said you wish. Playing. Chicka chicka boom. I like the color ones. I like the ones that look like Skyfall. That one's going high.
A flower. Did you see that?
Yeah, see?
Chicka chicka boom. Fruity Pebbles. I'm playing.
Yeah, I see a flower.
Gold.
See that flower?
Skyfall. Ferris wheel. I'm playing Skyfall.
Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle.
Green. Gold. Oh, gold is orange. That was cool. Skyfall. It's starting to get better.
Not yet.
Oh, I like those.
That was
Another
cool.
10 minutes.
Fruity Pebbles. It is. Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles. Chicka chicka boom. Chicka chicka boom. Bow chicka bow bow. Boom. There will. That was cool. Saturn. Fruity Pebbles. Scatter across. Shut up. I'm wondering, am I going to have to do a warning on my YouTube video? Hear me?
I don't know, son.
I'm like,
Smiley face.
that's big.
Smiley face.
Boy, serious, bro.
Smiley
Eh. Fruity Pebbles. Donk. That's not Fruity Pebbles. That was cool. Those look like fuse. Apple Jacks. Little Apple Jacks. Slumber Party. Fruity Pebbles. They look like Fruity Pebbles. Fruity Pebbles again. That's silly. They'll be thinking there's a whole nuke coming on. Boom. Christmassy. Well, it's not close to Christmas. They'll-
People for what they be born in the free country.
Fruity Pebbles. There's fireworks all across the nation. every foreigner, like 4th of July, is not just America. It's there's other foreign countries that do it. Green balls of fire. Oh. Fruity Pebbles. And they're not weird names, just one of the color of Fruity Pebbles. Ooh. That was okay. That was okay.
Didn't move.
Womp womp. Well, I gotta do my video, so pick boom. Chicka boom. Green. Blue. Those are cool. Oh no. It's gonna be very, very, very dark. Cool looking. Cool. Chicka boom. What are those? No, it's not. Oh. Griffin Alley. It's starting. Trying to adjust the lens. Oh my lord. Those are like angel wings. Wait, it does it. Griffin Alley. Fruity Pebbles again. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to do an epilepsy warning afterwards. Is it done? Whoa! That was funny. I'm gonna see. Okay, not. All right. If you have epilepsy, do not watch this. Goodbye.